Hey everyone, Dr. Chris here, and in today's video I'll be talking about some attributes that you need to be putting into your features within your geodatabase using ArcGIS Pro. Here we go. All right, here I am back in the office, and I'm going to be talking about the fields that you should be adding to your features in your geodatabase with ArcGIS Pro. Now, this can probably be done in other free software such as QGIS, but because I use ArcGIS Pro, I'm going to show you how to do it. And well, I'm going to show you what you should do and how you should do it within ArcGIS Pro. But first, I'm going to talk about the fields that you should be adding to all your features. Let's get rocking. To start, there are two basic attributes that you should be putting within your features, within your geodatabase, within ArcGIS Pro, and that is name and notes. In this case, I'm showing you the name, the alias, and the data type. Now, you can fill in all the rest of the information, such as length, if you really want. I don't really care because sometimes you want really long names, sometimes you definitely want a lot of notes to get across what you did to the objects within your feature, within your geodatabase. I use the notes so I can remind myself what I did to that object, say if I had digitized it from a georeferenced image, or if I had someone looking over my shoulder that was telling me what to do, say Dr. Chris was doing this for X person. I mean, you should be doing that with metadata, but how many of us really do metadata? There are 4 more optional attributes that you should be considering putting into your features within your geodatabase, and these are for edit tracking. Now, you can name them almost whatever you want. I name them the way I do because it makes sense to me. Something else may make more sense to you, but these are the attributes and what I've named them. Creator, date created, editor, and date edited. They're text, date, respectively. And I'm going to show you all of these attributes within the geodatabase now. Here I am back in ArcGIS Pro. I've got 2 features up here. That was from my last video. I'll leave a link. Is it up here? I always get the sides mixed up because I can't quite tell. It's up here somewhere to my last video where I was doing a commentary about a projected system that was a little off, especially when you're doing calculations. In this case, we're just going to look at the features and their attributes. Right down here, we have well pads. And as you can see, I've added the name, well pad 1, and notes digitized by Dr. Chris. Now, this has the 2 basic attribute, and the roads lines has the additional 4 attributes. And I'm going to show you why I use those. So here we go. Name, notes, creator, created date, editor, and date edited. Oh, did I say date created? Edit. Anyways, date created, editor, and date edited. Now, the importance of these are if you want to do feature editing tracking. Now, right now it's not enabled. I'm going to enable it, and it's easily done. You go up to Tools, you type in Enable Tracking, and Enable Editor Tracking. We click on that. I have predefined the field, so easily be able to put in the editor tracking on roads lines. So I choose my input data set. It's in my geodatabase. Roads lines. Creator field. I choose creator. Creator creation date field. Date created, last editor, editor, date edited, and give it the time. I'm in mount, leave it UTC, and run. That was fairly quick. Now we have, I'm going to close the geoprocessing. Now on roads lines or LNS, we have editor tracking enabled, and I'll show you what happens. So I click on road lines, I go edit, create, come down here, roads lines. I'm going to digitize down this road. And we get a new object within our feature. And now it automatically says who's the creator. That's me. I am logged in as GIS. The date created, the editor, which is still me, and the date edited. These are very handy if you have multiple people within your organization using the same geodatabase, as well as if you are doing your own editing and you can't remember when you made edits and maybe why you made these edits to the features that you have enabled tracking within your geodatabase within ArcGIS Pro. I will stress that these are very basic attributes to add to your features within your geodatabase. Maybe you've got some attributes that you like putting in as defaults on your features. If you do, just leave them down below and we'll have a conversation about it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, add me to your LinkedIn, or even better, share my videos through your networks. Till next time, I'm Dr. Chris. Keep rocking.